Good day, this is Paul from Impatech. This is a continuation of where we stopped the other time. These are the image and audio uploaded. Even you can see the poster. The poster is there too. Okay, let's style it up. Remember, our aim is to achieve this. If you can remember, is in one of the videos I uploaded on YouTube. So let's change the background. To achieve that background, I use F4, a solid white background. F4. Let's check it. But because the paragraph is white, it will hide the paragraph. The paragraph is hidden. To make the paragraph dark so that it can be seen, let's remove an F from it. Let's check it. The paragraph is there now. Okay, let's style up other things. Let's style up the image, img. Let's add the curly brackets. Okay, for our image we need width and height to set the image dimensions. Width is the width is 100%. The height is O2. Please don't forget your semicolon. There is colon before. Okay. You put semicolon after you've added the width figure and the height figure. Why column? Column. Okay, the next thing we need border to add the borders to it. Adding border is like framing an image, and this also applies to video and even audio. Okay, let's add it. Border. Our border will be 1 pc 1 px solid DDD, solid hash DDD. Okay, next we need the border radius. Border radius add a rounded corner to make the image frame more attractive, to make the image frame look more attractive. Border radius, let's add it. Border radius. Column. Our border radius is 10 px. 10 ps. That's like the thickness. Next, we need the boss shadow. Our boss shadow adds shadow effect around the image frame, making it come out so well. Okay, let's add it. Boss shadow. Boss to shadow. Okay, boss shadow. For our boss shadow, we need 0, 0, 10 ps. 0, 0, 10 ps space RGBA. That's like the shadow. RGBA is the shadow. In bracket 0, 0, 0, 0.1. Let's see. Can you see that? If you notice, on the other one I put the header in center. So let's align. Let's do that. Doing that is putting a test alignment. For our test alignment, we put it in center. Test alignment. Test align. Sorry. Center. Let's see. Our header is now in center. Let's put paragraph 2 in center. Instead of typing 1 we copy. Oh, sorry, we don't need it there. We can undo anything we don't need. Let's put it in. This is where we need it. We need it in our paragraph. Good. Let's see. Good. Okay. Our audio need the same thing we have for image. Audio need the same. Our video need the same thing we have for image. Instead of writing it one after the other, we can just copy what we have. But for video there is a but for audio there is a distinction. The height cannot be auto. The height has to be 30ps because audio is always small in length. Yes, it's always smaller. Copy, paste. Okay, let's. There's a little mistake. Undo. This is where I was meant to put it. Better. Okay, let's add for audio. Remember, audio will add something different. That's for the width. Make it different because of the size. Instead of writing everything one to save time, we copy everything we have. The height for audio is 30ps, not auto. 30ps. Now let's see what we have. See how everything is coming out neatly. That's it. Okay, let's add a subheading to everything, and the subheading will style it. We'll style the subheading. We'll style it. We'll name the files we added: image file, audio file, just to save time. Image file, video file, audio file. Okay, that's it. Done. Okay, thank you.